Hey guys, welcome back to our another episode of FOODGLAM. Today we are going to make Pujo special mutton kosha. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before starting the recipe, just take a look on the ingredients. Half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Then 3 tablespoon yogurt and 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and half cup onion paste. Now start the recipe. Here I took mutton and marinate it with ginger garlic paste, onion paste, yogurt, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt. Now mix all this together well and marinate it for at least 1 hour. Now take a pan and heat the oil. In the oil I am adding 2 to 3 bay leaves, 2 to 3 dry red chili, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cardamom and 3 to 4 cloves. Saute a little. Then I am adding sliced onion. Here I took 2 medium sized onion and thinly sliced them. Cook the onion until it's brown. Then I am adding marinated mutton in it. Stir well and mix well with the onion. Then cover it for 10 minutes until mutton releases water. Then open the lid and stir it. Add little water if required and stir and then cover with lid. Repeat the same process again and again until 1 hour completes. Repeat the same process, add little water, stir, cover with lid, then uncover. After 1 hour, we are going to add hot water in it. You can add less or more according to what consistency you want. Then cook it for another 1 hour. It's all about time. If you give good amount of time to cook this mutton, it will become darker and darker. And in the end we are going to add fried onion, garam masala and little sugar. It's optional. And then cover and wait for 10 minutes. Now your mutton kosha is ready to be served. Please do try this recipe in this pujo and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. We will meet again in my next video. Till then, bye.